For today's topic, pag-uusapan natin ang weaponized incompetence. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
So, ano ba ang weaponized incompetence? It's being incompetent doon sa ginagawa mo or making yourself look like incompetent kahit hindi naman. Because you have other goals for being incompetent or yung pagiging hindi magaling. Boss PE, tama lang ba ginagawa ko? Hindi ako nakikipparticipate sa mga ka-group ko tuwing may groupings. Kung magpa-participate man ako, sobrang hindi ko gagalingan. Kasi nga, para sa susunod na ka-group ko ulit sila, di na sila mag-expect ng mataas at may chance na di na nila ako paggawain pag may group work. Kaso, feeling ko, bumababa na value ko at merong mga times na kahit sobrang ganda na naisip kong sagot tuwing may lab analysis kami, ayaw nila tanggapin. Consequences ang tawag dyan. Okay? Now, nakuha mo yung free time mo by skipping yung work na dapat mong i-contribute ng maayos sa grupo mo kasi nga mas madali lang yung ginawa mo compared sa kanila na most likely mag-google sila ng more time, more effort para doon sa group work. Ngayon, nakuha mo yung free time na yon and kung ano man yung ginawa mo para doon sa time na yon, of course, it has something to do with ano yung babalik sa'yo. Since sabi mo nga, incompetent ka sa mata nila, of course, yung future actions mo would be affected doon sa ginagawa mo. Mahihirapan kang makakuha ng roles, lalo na doon sa mas mataas na posisyon. Kasi nga, they might think na you might F things out. Hindi mo magawa ng maayos yung trabaho mo and then madadamay sila doon sa pagiging incompetent mo. Huwag na huwag kayong masanay na gawin yan. Kasi baka madala nyo siya pagtanda nyo. And pagtanda nyo, hindi nyo namamalayan na in-integrate nyo na yung ganyang klaseng mindset sa mga sarili nyo. And then it would turn out na yung mga trabaho nyo na actual work, paglabas nyo ng school, yun na yung maapektuhan. And, hindi lang yon, domino effect yan. Even yung sweldo mo, maaapektuhan ng klase ng trabaho meron ka. So, if you become incompetent or you still use weaponized incompetent sa work mo, of course, people will not be able to trust you with bigger things. And, yung bigger pay, of course, nandoon sa bigger responsibilities. Hindi mo matatakasan ang hirap ng buhay. Existence itself is pain. Kailangan mo lang mamili which are the worth it pains that you should be able to go through. Like for example, exercise. Is it painful to exercise? Of course. But is it more painful than, magkasakit ka ng maaga dahil hindi ka nag-exercise? Diba? Both have different kinds of pain, but one is the better pain or has more benefits than you kesa, doon sa isa. Another example, is it painful to study a subject or learn a skill? Of course, it is painful. Diba? Andyan na yung pagbubusan mo siya ng oras, pagpupuyatan mo, magpa-practice ka, so on and so forth. But is it more painful doon sa hindi mo pag-grow as a person and then, most likely stuck ka doon sa kung anong value yung meron ka doon sa kumpanya or sa kung anumang venture yung gagawin mo. And then, kung gusto mo na mataas na sahod, hindi rin tataas yun. Kasi nga, yung skills mo would remain the same. So, again guys, wag na wag nyong uugaliin or yayakapin yung pagiging incompetent nyo para lang hindi kayo mahirapan. Kasi meron at merong babalik dyan. Hindi nyo matatakasan ng pain, but you could put meaning into it. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.